welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today is Sketchbox Day. Sketchbox is a monthly art subscription box that sends you premium art supplies, and this is the September box. So let's see what's inside. Look at the lovely artwork by Molly McHenry. First up, it's hard not to see this little pencil pouch right here. Looks like it is Sketchbox branded. It's square, which is kind of neat and different. The zipper here opens up, and let's see what's inside. So that's pretty cool. I like that. I'll definitely use that. The zipper is very long, but that could be good as a handle. Next up we have some marker paper by Borden and Riley Boris Markers. Translucent, bright white, smooth finish. So they're super thin marker paper. So there you have it. Nice and smooth. Be perfect for markers. Next up we have a Derwent kneadable eraser in a cool little pouch. That's a big one. I usually get littler, smaller ones. So that's nice. Then we have an Emmett Uni Fine Liner 04 in beige. Emmett. 0.4. Then we have another one in like a soft blue. Don't see any color names. Next we have a calligraphy pen 1.0. It's Zig in a brown color. Goes well with those colors. Then we have a Copic multi-liner 0.05 in like a burgundy. So far these are all liners. Next we have a darker blue Emmett 04. Put that over here. No color names on these, but this is a wine color, and this is sepia. Then we have a pack of Faber-Castell drawing pencils, which I think I have actually and put in a giveaway. Oops. Another episode of Can Jen Open a Thing? Okay, so in here we have standard pencils, HB, B, 2B, 4B, 6B, and 8B. So there's no H's, but so here is the 8B. Six B, 4B, 2B, or not 2B, that is the question. B, and HB. also have some cards in here. One got folded somehow. Oh, that is pretty. So you can see how this artist used these supplies. Not really a graphite artist, but that seems to be what this box is mainly for. Graphite and then maybe a couple of fine liners, not really markers. Super pretty. This is Jade Henning Cantrell, and you can follow them on Instagram at JHENN421art. And then there's also a JadeHenningFineArt.com, and then of course we've got the Sketchbox School, and the list of supplies. So this is a 6 set, $13 each. This month is all about technical sketching. So there you go. That's the theme. Calligraphy sepia brush or pen, not brush, is $2.50. The 3 set of Uni Emmet, Sax Blue, Beige, and Turquoise are the 3 colors. Those are $2.29 each. The kneadable eraser is $5.41 with the very cool case. It does not want to stay closed. The Copic multi-liner is $3.99, and the case is $9.99, and of course it is a Sketchbox exclusive. Paper is $7.95. It is also Sketchbox exclusive, or custom. It is also custom, because as you know, Sketchbox likes to have small paper pads to fit in their box. I'm very bummed this will not stay closed. But there you have it. Let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments below. And yeah, let's create.